big PPP loan update. My name is Quentin Banks. If you're into the channel, of course you guys gotta like and subscribe. Each and every day I will be bringing these updates as soon as I receive them. You guys tend to keep me updated as well. I love when you guys send me screenshots. I have my Instagram up. You guys tend to follow me on Instagram, like some photos. I will do the same as well. Also, you guys send me screenshots of your updates and what you've actually seen over the web, over TV, whatever the case may be. I will report on it. Now, as always, when it comes to this PPP loan, there seems like there's updates each and every day, right? Every day there's an update. Every day there's something new. Every day there's something different, right? So every day is something's going on, especially when it comes to the PPP loans. I'm just going to be here to try to point you guys in the right direction, hopefully get you guys the help that you need. Now, a lot of people are confused about the forgiveness. Is PPP ended? Is PPP, opening back up? What exactly is going on? But today we're going to be talking about, a member began to say, so confused, PPP loan 60% minimum on payroll versus 2.5 month calculations for self-employed. So let's 110% get into this and figure out what exactly is going on. Also, I do want to let you guys know I'm doing a giveaway at the end of the month. So with that being said, feel free to comment below. Let me know if you have Cash App, yes or no. And then I will actually be responding and doing those Cash Apps in the comment section. So yeah, let's get right to this. Give me a second here as I go ahead and get this information pulled up. All right, and they begin to say, so confused, PPP loan, 60% minimum on payroll versus 2.5 month calculations for self-employed. I'm trying to apply for forgiveness for my second round PPP loan, and it seems like it's not possible to receive the full forgiveness in my case, given the rules. I received a loan based on the new gross income calculations available to the self-employed, which made for a larger loan than the first. But from everything I'm reading, it looks like I must spend at least 60% of the loan on payroll expenses, or put another way, only up to 40% can be spent on other business expenses. And B, I can only pay myself for 2.5 months, calculated using my net profit from 2019. The problem is that 60% of the loan is about $1,200 more than the 2.5 month figure allows. Am I misunderstanding the rules here, or am I stuck repaying a portion of the loan? Now, I'm going to go ahead and read the first comment, and then I'll go ahead and tap into that. So give me 1 second here. All right, and they begin to say, just put 100% for payroll with 8 to 4 week cover period should be fine. Loans under 150K don't need docs submitted. I know multiple people, including myself, who have been forgiven. So that's correct. That's correct to an extent. A lot of people have been forgiven. If you're under 150K, you have been forgiven. A lot of people don't understand that, but make sure you're using all the right documents, guys. And the best thing, if you're unsure, go ahead and do 100% payroll. But Chase and SBA have to have my tax forms, and it's pretty simple math anyways to figure out the 2.5 month figure. Don't they automatically apply that to the forgiveness calculations? Also wondering, since there are 2 people saying to claim 100% for payroll, if that's somehow more likely to be forgiven. I do have some valid expenses to claim. Somebody begin to say, you are self-employed, you can use 100% as payroll. They will not ask you for any of those valid expenses you are confusing yourself with. The only payroll is you. Just do 100%. Do what you want. I'm just telling you what worked for me and those I know. So that's the thing too. You can do that, but also know, do what's best for you. Everybody is different. Just because it worked for this person doesn't mean it's gonna work for that person. But for the most part, guys, that is correct. Somebody said it's like you're asking for advice, help, but telling us why our advice doesn't equal what you want to hear. You don't have to produce any of that paperwork for you being only employee. Please just do the 100% or redo whatever you want to do and stop trying to get our responses to confirm to logic you want to make sense. You can also use any number of weeks between 8 and 24 request forgiveness. In our case, for the 24-week period, we would have exceeded the owner income level and not have been forgiven. The 8-week, the 60 to 40 mix wasn't correct, and we hadn't spent enough on lease. So we ended up using some simple math to figure out exactly what number of weeks worked in their scenario. We actually ended up using 12 weeks as our forgiveness period. We are a C Corp, but the numbers just worked in our favor at 12 weeks. Play around with the numbers a bit under different weekly scenarios and see if it happens. We were forgiven on both PP1 and PP2 using the method. So that's valid as well. I understand people reaching out to get help, but you can play with those numbers, but just know, in a sense, if you want to use what helped for other people, use other people's advice and see what actually helped for them. But sometimes we don't want to hear certain things, or we have our own logic in our mind, and we want to do it the way we think it should be done, and sometimes that is not the case. So yeah, guys, I'll keep some of this stuff up. Expenses equal paperwork. Every business with no employees is able to claim 100%. No paperwork through the SBA portal if loan is under 150K. If you are deemed to have received more than allowed, expenses won't help. And if you guys got questions, that SBA.gov, that portal and those questions are on there. If you guys got extra questions, feel free to do your research and research some of those questions. That may be one of the best bets as well, guys. Let me know how you guys feel. Let me know if you are still waiting for a stimulus check. If you're still waiting for a PPP loan, let me know in the comment section as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you guys are entered in the giveaway. As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. PPP loan fraud. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course you guys gotta like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. I tend to provide all this information here on a daily basis. I will also be doing a giveaway at the end of the month. So at the end of the day, it's a win-win situation for everybody. I want everybody to win. I want everybody to be happy. I want everybody to be successful as always. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. I will try my best to answer tons of questions. So if you guys got questions regarding the PPP loan, is opening back up, all that good stuff, I will tend to answer your questions. Then I will also try to get some type of information when it comes down to it as well. Now, guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys got questions. I will also respond back to everybody on a case-by-case basis. So anybody that actually has Instagram, feel free to follow me on Instagram, like some photos. I will actually try my best to respond back to everybody as always. Today's video, we have Mo Thane, I hope I'm saying his name right, of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, sentenced to 17 years in prison for misuse of the PPP loans. And guys, I'm trying to tell you guys, if you don't have a legit business, do not apply for the PPP loan, because they will be doing backtracks. They will backtrack, and they will actually see where this money is going, how the money is being used, all of that good stuff, right? Because we know tons of people who actually receive the PPP loan, and then, like I said, I know tons of people who